Let's go to one more video in our Diecast channel. In this video I'm going to show you this 1966 Mustang GT 350. This car is made in Italy by Jouef, which is a different manufacturer. It's I would say it's a budget model with good quality, really. It's just good. It's average. It doesn't have any all sophisticated features, but it has some interesting details. So please don't forget to like my video, to share my video, and to subscribe my channel. Let's take a better look now. Well, the first thing we see is this white color with a 350 stripe right at the bottom line. Very simple lines of 1966 Mustang. The doors with those windows that were actually rolled down. The mirrors could be a little bit better, but they're okay. So let's take a look at the interior. You can see the pedals, the gauges are a sticker actually. They are all a black piece. The panel, the dashboard is a black piece, but it's pretty well made with a 3-spoke steering wheel that steers the wheels as we turn around here, as is usual in the 1 to 18th models. This ventilation right here in the back, spare tire, the rear with more realistic taillights than that 65 Mustang I've shown before, made by Mira, which is the Spanish manufacturer, and the trunk, which is small. It's got the battery only. It's very simple. The hinges could be a little bit better, going all the way to the ends of the trunk lid, but they're okay. The gas cap is okay, and the rear bumper is pretty well made. Reverse lights and the license plate. Wheels and tires front with the GT grille, the clips, hood clips, and 350 engine. With all cables, wires, reinforcements, all components here in the engine compartment and in the engine bay. Engine bay itself, it's quite simple, and some details could be a little bit better, just like this engine that really doesn't make sense being chrome. But anyway, it's a budget model, so we can't really demand too much of it. The hood here could be a little bit better, especially this paint in here and this these hinges, but the hinges are okay. They are not too big, so they do their job. Windshield and windshield wipers with all trim, made in separate pieces. This is a quite old model. I've got I had it for over 20 years. The chrome here is in pretty good condition. And let's take a look at the passenger side. It's quite simple. Seats fold entirely front. This is rather a competition car than just a car you use as a daily driver. It's much more to accelerate and speed up. Let's take a look at the bottom. Bottom is quite simple. It's got a piece of metal that goes all the way around, and it's it's attached to the body, and the chassis itself, the floor of the car, I would say, since this is a unibody, is made of a black piece of plastic with drive shaft, which is fixed, suspension, which is fixed. They're both fixed in the front and the rear, and the steering system that works as I've shown before. The oil pan is right here in the tranny. This engine could use a little work, but it's okay. So I would say that this model is an average model. It's pretty nice to have, but still I would just buy this model for a good price, as the conditions were when I bought it. Okay, so I'd like to thank you for all likes, comments. Please don't forget to share my video, to subscribe my channel, and click the bell for news. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.